Okay, ladies, welcome to my crafting studio. I'm super excited because today we're gonna be making these beautiful earrings. Look at them, they're so magical. Honestly, make you look so good. Like, I've been wearing them and people have been asking me where I got them, and I'm like, I made them. They're so beautiful. So now you're gonna be able to make them with me. I'm super excited to show you how, and it's like super simple. You just need the xTool machine, and I'm gonna give you everything. And the only thing that you need to do is just laser cut them. Okay, ladies, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the SVG file, and you're gonna find the link below on my website content. I'm gonna open up a new blank canvas to work on. So you're gonna go into your X and go into file, and you're gonna import image. So you're gonna import the Tara earrings SVG file, open it up, and you're gonna notice they're already in the size that needs to be printed out. So that's perfect. You're also gonna notice that they might be on a group, so you're gonna ungroup them too. You're gonna connect to your xTool M1 Ultra. And the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna select the outer part of the SVG file. So just make sure that you're selecting the right outer shape. So here. So outer shape 1 and outer shape 2, and we're gonna cut this. Select your material just because this is a 3mm base wood, so we're gonna confirm that. And I've been cutting it at speed 10 and 98 to make sure that it actually cuts well. And so now we have that cut. There's also a little piece inside the flower that needs to be cut. So there's this little piece, and there is also, where is it? And there's also this little piece that need to be cut. And so we're gonna cut this also at speed 10, power 98. Okay, perfect. And then we're gonna select the inside part, and this we are going to score. And so I actually like to score it in speed of 100 and power 65. And it's perfect. Now we have our file set up. Make sure you don't move anything like I just did. And so you can see now we have cut and we have score. And so the next thing that we're gonna do is actually place our wood in the machine, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, ladies, so now you're gonna go ahead and grab your wood, and I'm reutilizing this one because I already cut it, but I'm like, these earrings are so small that they actually fit in here. So you're gonna go ahead and open up your machine and place your wood and make sure that everything is good. And now we're gonna go back into setting up the space. Okay, so now that we're here, make sure to close the lid of your machine, and you're gonna measure the distance in which is going to be cutting. Perfect. And now we're going to be creating our space. So I'm going to choose rectangle because I'm going to start marking the points. So I'm going to show you this like this. So basically you're going to open up your machine, and there's a button right here, and so you're going to press the X, and I mean it's a plus button. You're going to press that, and then just like move the machine until you wanted to create your space. And so perfect. So now I know that my earrings are gonna go into that little space right there. So I'm gonna go and marking done.
And I'm gonna see where my earrings are. Then honestly, they're not in here, so I'm just gonna place them in here. God, let me not, just be careful with that, not to move them. And I mean, honestly, there's so much space in here that I'm just gonna reuse the rest of the wood, not to waste any material. But for now, I'm just gonna show you, like, I'm just gonna place this. But honestly, I mean, you can place them better than me probably. Just make sure that everything is like placed well. So basically, I'm placing my earrings really well. Perfect. So now that I have my earrings well placed, and I know nothing is going to be cut off, I still have this like other side of it, and I'm going to move them a little bit up to just make sure that I am not wasting that much of the material. And I'm sure now that I have space to fit another 2 pairs of earrings. And so now it's really easy. It's all about going into process, and it's going to take 4 minutes. Whoa, that's amazing. So we're going to take 4 minutes. So you're going to go start, go ahead,
and
actually
press play. Perfect. And your machine started cutting.
So now we're actually going to wait for 4 minutes until it's fully done, and I'll get back to you once they are cut.
Okay, so now we're back and we have laser cut our earrings. Now you see it should be really easy to actually be able to take them out of the wood. Just be careful because, you know, like I don't want them to break. So they're actually like cut pretty well, but just have to be careful because yeah, like sometimes I've experimented with them, and while doing that I almost broke my finger, and I was like, dude, like this is, yeah, not the vibe, me breaking my finger while like taking out this like little pieces. And look at it, just make sure that you also take out this little pieces here. Actually these ones were the first trial and I didn't have that little piece out, so it looked like that, but now this ones I did. Oh, they're so beautiful, just refining the design and making sure that everything looks perfect. So now it's just a matter of painting our earrings. Okay, ladies, so now we're gonna paint our earrings and I'm super excited. So actually we're gonna paint them with this brand of markers, which actually I adore. It's called Posca and they are so good. You can paint in acrylic and they give like such a beautiful finishes. And I'm actually gonna take mine off because yeah, I just wanna see what colors I already painted because I wanna be able to replicate that. And so I'm gonna do that. So basically you're just gonna like paint them inside. Oh, look at this, is so magical. It's just so easy to paint with these markers, and you're gonna paint in the lines, and actually it doesn't take that much time to paint them because
these markers are amazing. And so yeah, go ahead and have fun, and while you're painting them, put some music on, just vibe with them, and yeah, paint them whatever colors you want, because honestly, you know what, it's like paint them to your taste. Whatever you want, just do that.
Yeah, I'll get back to you once I finish painting mine. Okay, so now I have finished.
So now the earrings are ready. I'm super excited. Look how they came out. And so this one will go on this side. And then the only thing that you need to add is like buy one of these little things. It's like a little post. And I have this glue that is actually like super strong. I mean, I wouldn't be able to tell you what brand it is because honestly, I just bought it at my local craft store and it's in Chinese. So I just don't know. I wouldn't tell you. But the only thing that I know is that it dries really freaking fast. So, okay. So now that it's fully dried, we're gonna wait for like a second. But honestly, it takes like a second to dry. My goodness, you're gonna be able to wear your earrings. Look at them, they're so beautiful. Just make sure that on the back they're fully attached well. And honestly, so with the last ones I did, I actually put some resin on top of them because I was like, I wanna protect them and not have them, if they get wet or anything like that, I wanna make sure that they're actually protected from just, you know. So then I actually added some resin. I'm gonna show you which one. So I got this resin that is UV resin hard. So basically you put it on just with a little brush, and honestly I bought myself one of those machines where you put your nails in, and yeah, and I just put my earrings inside of there and they're ready after like 5 minutes, but you can also wait for like 2 hours and that's totally fine. So now we are done. So now you are able to wear your Tara earrings and embody the magical frequency of Tara. My goodness, look at it. And this is the piece that I made, and so now we're matching. We're little Tara matching sisters. I love it. She's so beautiful. And so yeah, this is another piece that I made. Comment below if you at some point would like to make this Tara piece, because that could also be available if you like it. And so yeah, so that's everything for today, and I hope that you like the earrings. My goodness, they're so amazing. Honestly, they make you look so beautiful. Like, I cannot with this. This is just too much. It's too beautiful. You see the difference between this ones and this ones? Like, this ones were my first trial, and then this was the refined design. So these ones are so much better just because like they are cut so much better. So this is what you're gonna get. So I hope you liked it, and this is my first video, so I'm super excited. And yeah, just comment below and follow me for more, because I'm gonna be posting more crafting things. I'm gonna be posting more designs that I make on the go, and just little cute things that you're gonna be able to make so easily, because I love beautifying the world, and honestly it's my favorite thing to do. Just yeah, comment and and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see.